There was this TV commercial of an instant noodle snack where a certain young boy, Magnifico, came home crying. Sabi niya po, galing siya sa tryouts ng basketball varsity. He was crying and he said to his mother, 12 lang ang napili sa tryouts. Pag pang 13th ako, practice ako ng practice. Bakit po nanay, may uniform na ako, bakit po hindi ako napili? As if the child was telling his mother, I have given my all, and as one song would like to tell us as well, I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Let us remember, my dear brothers and sisters, this beautiful encounter of Jesus and his soon-to-be apostles. They were disappointed. They were tired. Practice sila ng practice. Trabaho sila ng trabaho. They have worked all night. They gave all their best. But at the end of the day, at the end of a long work from the first watch of the night until the next morning, there was nothing. But here comes a son of a carpenter commanding fishermen. You see the great difference between the two. This son of the carpenter was commanding the fishermen to put into deep waters your nets for a catch. And you know, the response of Peter was moving. And this response of Peter, I do highly keep as my personal motto and even my inspiration. Parang sinabi po ni Simon Pedro kay Jesus, ginawa na po namin ang lahat. Buong gabi na ho kaming nagtatrabaho. Napagod na ho kami. Pero dahil sinabi mo, gagawin po namin. We will lower the nets for a catch. And after doing those, they caught great numbers. A miracle was just made true in front of their eyes. My dear brothers and sisters, when we do not anymore know what to do, let God. Let Him work. Let Him teach. Let Him teach you. Let Him teach us. Hindi po bulag ang Diyos sa mga parehas na linyahan natin sa buhay na ito. Practice ako ng practice. Trabaho po ako ng trabaho. Aral ako ng aral. Handa ako ng handa para sa pamilya ko. I always give my patience. I always give my time. But Lord, nasaan ang bunga? Anyari na, kung baga tanongin po natin. Bakit parang wala pa din? Maybe we are just too much occupied with what we are doing and not anymore what God can do for our end and for our life. Maybe we have to let go of our pride, to let go of our ego, even the superiority complex that we all have inside us. Na parang sinasabi nating, kaya ko to, magagawa ko to. But we forget to listen to the Lord who may have better plans than ours, or maybe who may have bigger plans than ours. We celebrate and remember Saint Teresa of Calcutta today. And I know for a very fact, she prayed the same words. I have given my time, I have given my energy to feed, to be a neighbor to my brothers and sisters. But it seems that nothing is bearing fruit. But the Lord whispered to him, continue to put your nets into lower waters, and you will find greater catch. Blessings, graces, and miracles will do happen when we surrender to the Lord like Peter. At your command, I will lower the nets. When like Peter, we say to Jesus, I have given my all, do your part. Wait for blessings, see miracles, witness graces that will unfold in your life.